Hey everyone, want to turn your regular photo into a stunning AI avatar? Today I'll show you how to do it using Photofy AI. It's fast, fun, and super creative. Let's get started. Once you open the app, go straight to the AI avatar section. It's right on the main screen. Tap that, and now we're ready to upload a photo. Make sure your selfie is clear, well lit, and facing forward. I'm going to use this one here. Uploading is super easy, just one tap. Now comes the fun part, picking your avatar style. You can choose from anime, (3D) cartoon, realistic painting, and even fantasy characters. I'm going to test out a few of them for you. Photofy AI takes about 20-30 seconds to generate each avatar. And here we go. Now let's check out the 3D version. I love how detailed this is. And that's it. Super easy, super fun. Let me know which avatar you like the most in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, hit subscribe, and check out more cool AI apps coming soon.